Senior Secondary School, Chengalam East. Today in this video, I am going to share with you a few maths tricks that I learned from Father Staline's class. These tricks will be very useful for you. So let's move to the examples. We are moving to our first trick, that is multiplication with base 10 less than number base 10. We are taking our example 9 into 8. 10 minus 9 and 10 minus 8. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 10 minus 8 is 2. We are now going to multiply this 1 and 2. 1 and 2, that is 2. Then we are going to cross subtract. That is 8 minus 1, 9 minus 2. Both will get the same answer, 7. So we got the answer, final answer, 72. Our second example, 6 into 8. We want to subtract 6 from 10 and 8 from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 10 minus 8 is 2. Then we want to multiply this 4 and 2. 4 into 2, 8. Now we want to cross subtract this. 6 minus 2, 8 minus 4. We will get the same answer, 4. That we got the answer, 48. Now I am going to explain the rule. 10 has 1 0. So we need only one place here. And if a number has 2 0, we will write 2 places here. If that is 3 0, then we will write 3 places. Then we want to find the difference between these the difference of these numbers to 10. Then we multiply these numbers and we will get an answer that we will write here. Then we will cross subtract this. It is less than 10, so we need to subtract, cross subtract. Both will get the same answer and that answer we will write here. And we will get the final product. Now we are moving to the next example, that is great base 10 itself but greater than 10. Base greater than the base 10. We are taking examples 12 into 13. We want to subtract 10 from 12 and 10 from 13. That is 12 minus 10 and 13 minus 10. 12. That is 2. 13. 3. We need to write only no zeros here because one place only we needed because 10 has only 1 0. Then want to multiply 2 and 3. 2 into 3. 6. Then want to cross add. Before we were subtracting because that was less than 10. This is greater than 10. So we need to add 13 plus 2, 12 plus 3. Both will get the same answer, 1, 5, 15. We got the final product, 156. Now we are moving to our second example, 14 into 14. 14 minus 10 is 4. 14 minus 10, 4. What 14? 4. Then we want to multiply this 4 into 4. 6. As I said, 10 has only one 0. We need only one place when we write this. The 16, the carry over. 16's 1 will move to carry over. Then we want to cross add. 14 plus 4, 18. We want to add the carryover. 8 plus 1, 9. We got the final product 196. Here we were taking 10 as base and numbers greater than 10. First we want to do is that we should subtract 12 minus 10, 13 minus 10. That is, we will get the answer, the difference, 2 and 3. Then we want to multiply that number. Then we want to cross add. If the numbers are less than the base, we cross subtract. If the numbers are greater than the base, we add it. Now we are moving to our next trick, that is multiplication with base 100. We are first studying less than 100. I am here taking 99 and 97 as example. Now we want to subtract 99. 100 minus 99 and 100 minus 97. 99, 0, 1. 97, 0, 3. 100 has 2 zeros. So we need 2 places here. If there is no numbers to write in 2 places, we add a 0 there. Now we want to do as the same what we did in the base 10. We want to multiply 0, 1 into 0, 3. That is 0, 3 itself. Don't forget to add that 0 wherever necessary. Then we want to cross subtract as we did before. 99 minus 3, 97 minus 1. Both we will get the same answer, 96. So we got the final answer, 99 into 97, 9603. Our next example is 95 into 93. 100 minus 95 and 100 minus 93. 593. 0, 5. This is 0, 7. Now we are going to multiply these numbers. 5 into 7. 35. We need to write 35 here because 100 has 2 zeros. So we need 2 places here. If there was 3 places, then we will write it as carryover only. Then we are going to cross subtract because less than 100. Then 95 minus 7, or 93 minus 5. 88. So we got the final product 88. Sorry, 8835. 8835. Now let's discuss the rule. 100 has 2 zeros. So we need 2 places here. 0. If there is no 2 numbers, we will add a 0 to the left position. Then multiply these numbers. 0, 1, 0, 3. Then we will get 0, 3 itself, that is product, their product. Then we need to cross subtract because this is less than. Cross subtract. Then write that number and we will get the final product. Always remember to add 0 here because we have 2 zeros. In this trick, we are taking base 100 itself, but numbers greater than 100. I am taking example 102 into 103. First, we want to subtract 102 from 102 minus 100, 103 minus 100. 102, 103. 0 2, 0 3. We add here 0 because 100 has 2 places and we don't have 2 places here. So we add zeros to the left position. Then want to multiply this. 0, 6. Then we want to cross add. Addition happens. 102 plus 3, 103 plus 2. Both we will get the same answer, 105. We need not to subtract 103, 0, 3. We only need to add from 2 plus 3 only. Then write other numbers. So we got the product 10506. 10,506. Now we are moving to the next example. 103 into 109. We need to subtract 100 from 103 and 109. 103, 109. 03 and 09. Then we need to multiply this number. 3 into 9, 27. 27. We need to write these numbers here itself. Then want to cross add this number. 103 plus 9, 109 plus 3. That is 112. We got the answer 11,227. Now I am going to tell the rule. 100 as I said, 100 has 2 zeros. We need 2 places here. Then we will multiply these numbers and write that product here. And here also we need 2 places because 100 has 2 zeros. If there are no numbers, add add zeros to the left position. Then want to cross add because this is greater than 100. If it is less than, we always subtract, and if it is greater than, we always cross add. Then we will get an answer that we will write here, and we will get the final product. Now we are moving to our next trick. That is nothing, it's multiplication itself with base 1000. First we are taking numbers less than the base 1000. 999 into 997. 1000 minus 999. 1000 minus 997. That 001 003. Here we have 3 zeros in 1000. So we need to write 3 places here. If there is only one place, we will add zeros to the left position. Here we need to add 2 zeros. 001 003. Now we want to multiply 1 into 3 is 3. We need to add the zeros also here. Yes, 003. Then we want to cross subtract this number because these numbers are less than the base. 909 minus 3, 909 minus 3, 907 minus 1, both will get the same answer, 996. We got the answer 9,96,003. Our next example is 994 and 990. We want to subtract 1000 minus 994, 1000 minus 990. What? 990. 006 010. Then we want to multiply this number. 10 into 6, 60. We need to add 1 zero here because we need 3 places as 1000 has 3 zeros. 060. Now we are going to cross subtract because this is less than 1000. That is 994 minus 10, 990 minus 6. Both we will get the same answer, 984. Nine lakh 84,060. Now let's discuss the rule. We need 3 zeros here because 3 places here because we have 3 zeros in 1000. Now we need to multiply 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 3. That will get the answer 0, 0, 3. Then we need to cross subtract because these numbers are less than 1000. We need to subtract and we need 3 places as we have 3 zeros in 1000. Here we are writing 6 into 10, 60 and adding 1 0 to the left position. Now we are moving to greater than 1000. We are here also taking 1000 as the base but greater than 1000. Here I am taking example 1001 and 1005. 1001 minus 1000 is 0, 0, 1. We need 3 places, so I added 2 zeros. Then this 0, 0, 5. 1005 minus 1000. Then we need to multiply these numbers. 5 into 1, 5. Then these zeros. Then cross addition because greater than 1000. 1001 plus 005. 1005 plus 001. Both we will get the same answer 1006. 1006. Zero, 6, 0, 0, 5. Now I am going to explain the rule. We need 3 places here because there are 3 zeros in the 1000. Then we will multiply these numbers. Then we will add these numbers because greater than 1000. When greater than comes, we will add. Addition happens. Then we will get the final product. Friends, we can use this method of multiplication using any base. The only thing to be careful is when it is greater than, we cross add. When it is less than, we cross subtract. Then the other thing to be careful is the zeros. If there are 3 zeros or 4 zeros, if 10,000 we have 4 zeros, then we need 4 places. If there is only 3 places or 2 places, we will add zeros to the LHS, left hand side. We can use this method by making 10,000, 1 lakh or 10 crore, 1 crore as the base. Our new trick is with base 20. It's easy to take 20 as base than 10. So our example here is less than 20, 18 into 70. First we want to do as like 10 itself. 20 minus 18. 2. 70. 20 minus 70. 3. Then 1 to multiply this number. That is 6. Then 1 to cross subtract because this is less than 20. 17 minus 2, 18 minus 3. Both will get the same answer 50. 1, 5, 6. Now we want to divide these numbers to two parts. This difference, the product of the difference in one part and the difference between these numbers also as one part. Then we need to multiply this left hand side number with 2. Left hand side number with 2. And bring down the 6. 5 into 2, 10. 1 into 2, 2, 3. So we got the answer 3, not 6. I will explain this one more time. We will do as it is in base 10. That is, if we are taking 18 and 17 as example, we need to find the difference between 18, 20 and 17 and 20. That is 2 and 3. Then we need to multiply this 2 and 3. Then we will get an answer 6. Then want to cross subtract because this is less than 20. Then want to divide these numbers to two parts. LHS, RHS. The products of the differences in one part and rest in other part. Then want to multiply the LHS with 2. Here the LHS is 50. 50 into 2. 30. And bring down this 6. Then our final product is 306. Here also the base is 20. But here we are taking greater than 20. Here we are taking example 25 and 26. First we need to find the difference. 25 and 20, difference between 25 and 20, 26 and 20. 25, 26. 5, 6. Then we need to multiply 5 into 5 and 6. That is 30. We only write 0 here. 3 will become a carryover. Then we need to divide this into two portions. Then want to cross add. Addition happens here because this is greater than 20. Then 26 plus 5, 25 plus 6. Both will get the same answer, 31. Then 31 into 2. We are not adding this carryover here. We will keep the carryover separate in the RHS position. 31 into 2, 62. Then bring down this 0. With this 0, we will bring down the carryover and put it here. That is carryover to this 2. Then add this carryover. 5, 0. So we got the final answer 650. I will explain this one more time. Here we are taking greater than 20. Examples 25 into 26. 25 minus 25. 26 minus 26. Then we need to find the product of 5 and 6, that is 30. We will keep these 3 separate here itself in the RHS position. Then we want to cross add these numbers, that is 31. Then divide them into 2 positions, RHS and LHS. Then want to multiply this number with 2. 31 into 2, 62. Then bring down this 0. With this 0, we will bring this 3. And we will add this 3 to this 2. 6, 2 plus 3, 5. This 0, 650. If the numbers are greater than 20, we cross addition. Cross addition happens. And if the numbers are less than 20, we cross subtract. The only thing to be careful in this method of multiplication is this: less than, subtract, and greater than addition, cross addition. Friends, I think you all understood these tricks. Please try these tricks. I am sure these tricks will help you in your learning. I would like this occasion to thank Father Salim. Thank you.